Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers, cheap, many, local, and long-distance movers near me. Long-distance shifting usually requires more planning, more workforce, and extra care when it comes to long-distance shifting. So if you decide to do it all by yourself, it can be very risky, time-consuming, and expensive for you. You can trust us for your relocation. We have the best team of professionals that can help you easily lighten your shoulders and help you shift seamlessly. This leading firm is licensed, and its movers are also trained to handle heavy products and delicate glass and base products easily. Additionally, when long distances are involved, the major concern that worries us is the risk of wear and tear. But don't worry, 3 Movers utilizes appropriate tools to shift your delicate belongings carefully. Shifting is a hectic procedure, whether it's a local or long distance. And if you do it all by yourself, it consumes a lot of time and becomes costly. Moreover, handling heavy weights and delicate objects, although without prior experience, is also very risky for you and your belongings. Therefore, it's recommended to hire professional movers like 3 Movers to pack, load, shift, and unpack your belongings carefully. In addition to local and long distance moving, our many moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, military moving, residential moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.